We've been in Seoul for nearly 2 weeks, and our stay is coming to an end. If you've been following along on my fifth visit to Seoul, we went to a really cool Starbucks and some awesome cafes with amazing vibes, visited really lively local markets, checked out some of the city's most trendy areas for locals with a bunch of shopping, took a day trip to the city of Suwon, and had a ton of good food along the way. In this video, we check out more cafes, try some Korean unagi, visit another shopping area, and we happen to come across some Korean celebrities. Today we are back in Seongsu, but more on its west side. It's a lot more chill on this side, maybe like the Aoyama back streets if I'm speaking in Tokyo terms, just less upscale. Overall though, this part of Seongsu feels a little more quaint than the part we were at the other day, so it's really nice. We're waiting in the basement room of this restaurant. Seems to be a really popular place for these teishoku-like lunches. And you know what? It's lunchtime, but let's drink some makgeolli. So this looks good. I got some spicy pork. So it comes with a soup, some pickled sides, leaves for wraps. And then my wife got the bulgogi, and I guess you can kind of mix everything together in the bowl. We'll try out this cafe while we're here. Not exactly hungry because we just ate, but gotta get something, right? That thing's really crackly. Pretty good. So this park here is right next to Seongsu, so we're gonna take a walk through it.
Feel like falling deeper, cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't.
So apparently that's SM Entertainment. So if you don't know, like Korean fan clubs are insane. Like they buy outdoor ad space everywhere and make these banners and posters for their birthdays. Like fanatics, man, like real fanatics. So we're gonna try some unagi for dinner, Korean style. So pretty much everything that needs to be done is being done by our server right at our table. She's grilling and cutting up the unagi just like pork or some kind of barbecue. Grab some dishes of pickles and sides here at the counter. And then you wrap everything up. To me, it doesn't beat Japanese unagi, but still pretty good. So we've been finishing our nights at the convenience store. Korea has some really good ones actually. There's like a ton of things I want to try. I don't know if they do it in every country, but MUJI in Korea seems to have a bunch of Korean food items. And it looks pretty good, so we're gonna go and buy some to take home.
Is this the one?
Oh yeah, let's get it. It's like my favorite kimchi. If there's a food I want more of, it's nakgeopse. So we're having some for lunch. And if you remember, nakgeopse is that spicy, garlicky seafood and intestine stew that we had earlier on our trip. It's so good. Look at that. Like I seriously could eat this every day. We're in Garosu-gil, which is a shopping area near Apgujeong in Gangnam. Lots of stores have their Korean flagships here. Lots of people shopping out in the streets. I think it's lost some popularity though, since other places in the city have come up in the past few years, like especially Seongsu. I think it's affecting this area a little bit for sure. Okay, there's definitely something going on. Not sure what, but there's music being played in the streets, and there's like a stage like right in the middle of the street too. Okay, so we parked ourselves at this cafe, which is in some clothing shop, to see what'll happen. So word on the street is that Kazuha from Le Seraphim is coming. She's a Japanese member, actually, in one of the most popular K-pop groups now. It's pretty packed down there, so might as well wait and see what happens.
Is that her? Yeah.
I guess more people are coming. They're not saying anything, so I think we can just hang out here. Man, some people are super equipped, man. It's crazy. So kind of a cool way to end our trip. Didn't expect it or anything, but such an experience. Let me know if you know any of these people in the comments, and give a thumbs up if you can. And if you're interested in traveling in Seoul, check out my other Korea videos. I think I have several of them now. But thanks for watching again, and I hope to see you in the next one.